The next grouping of reports is for safety requirement specifications. So with safety requirement specifications, again, you have a series of different reports that are available. The first one is going to be the General Requirements Report. And the General Requirements Report is basically that textual description of all of the requirements that apply across the board for all of the safety instrumented functions for a safety instrumented system. And you'll see the Word document that gets generated looks like this, which should be familiar from the input pages. The next item is the IPF requirements. And here, once again, you can select all of them or you can select one at a time. And when you select this, you're going to select this and generate the report. You're going to be generating a worksheet for whichever IPF you selected. Now, it's important to remember that when you're generating the worksheets, what is reported is going to be matching what is viewed as per the study settings. So depending on how you set up your study settings to show different attributes of an IPF or a sensor, final element, or logic solver, that is what's going to be displayed when you show the report. So if there's too much information in a report, you can always go back to study settings and limit what you're actually showing, printing, and reporting. So the sensor requirements page is going to work similarly. Let's just go ahead and generate a report real quick for a single transmitter. When you do that, you're generating that detailed worksheet again in accordance with the settings that you selected for what you want to view and what you don't want to view. The logic solver and final element pages are very similar. Finally, you have the cause and effect diagram page. So when I select the cause and effect diagram and hit generate report, you select which IPF groups you want to generate the report for, and then the report gets generated. In this case, it's going to be generated as a Microsoft Excel document. So when I bring that Microsoft Excel document up, you can see the level of detail here in the report is going to be much more significant than the level of detail that was shown on the input page when you were manipulating and modifying the attributes of the cause and effect diagram. So this is a more thorough representation for documentation purposes. So those are all of the items that are available in the safety requirements specifications section of reporting.